Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update for the Day 1 outlook. We have two slight risk areas. Today. One slight risk today encompasses southeastern New Mexico and much of Texas. And there's another slight risk today that encompasses east central Louisiana, the southern half of Mississippi, the central and southern Alabama, extreme northwestern Florida, and central Georgia. Cities in today's slight include San Antonio, Texas, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Laredo, Texas, and Montgomery, Alabama. And we have two marginals today. One marginal today covers southeastern Wyoming, parts of Colorado, southwestern Kansas, the Panhandle of Oklahoma, parts of Texas, and eastern New Mexico. Another marginal today covers parts of Mississippi, southeastern Louisiana, parts of Alabama, far northern Florida, much of Georgia, and much of South Carolina. Cities in today's marginals include Jacksonville, Florida, Austin, Texas, Denver, Colorado, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Colorado Springs, Colorado. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have two areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today. One covering southeastern New Mexico and much of Texas. Another 2% tornado risk area today encompasses southeastern Louisiana, much of Mississippi, most of Alabama, far northwestern Florida, and parts of Georgia. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include San Antonio, Texas, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Laredo, Texas, and Montgomery, Alabama. Going to the wind threat for today, we have two areas where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering southeastern New Mexico and much of Texas. Another 15% wind risk area today encompasses southeastern Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, much of Alabama, far northwestern Florida, and central Georgia. Cities in the 15% wind risk areas today include San Antonio, Texas, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Laredo, Texas, and Montgomery, Alabama. Excuse me. And we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering southeastern Wyoming, parts of Colorado, southwestern Kansas, the Panhandle of Oklahoma, eastern New Mexico, and parts of Texas. Another 5% wind risk area today encompasses parts of Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, northern Alabama, northern Florida, northern and southern Georgia, and much of South Carolina. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include Jacksonville, Florida, Austin, Texas, Denver, Colorado, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Colorado Springs, Colorado. Going to the hail threat for today, we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses southeastern New Mexico and much of Texas. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include San Antonio, Texas, Laredo, Texas, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, and San Angelo, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area encompasses most of the 15% hail risk area. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Laredo, Texas, Midland, Texas, Odessa, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, and Del Rio, Texas. And again, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. One covering far south, one of the 5% hail risk areas today encompass southeastern Wyoming, parts of Colorado, southwestern Kansas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, eastern New Mexico, and parts of Texas. And the other 5% hail risk today encompasses parts of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, most of Alabama, northern Florida, most of Georgia, and the southern half of South Carolina. Cities in the 5% hail risk areas today include Jacksonville, Florida, Austin, Texas, Denver, Colorado, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Atlanta, Georgia. So, in summary, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms should occur today across parts of the southern plains and the southeast. Large to very large hail and severe winds should be the main threats across portions of Texas, while damaging winds will be the primary concern across the southeast. So, that's the day one outlook for today, so stay safe in the affected areas today, and my day 2 outlook will come out later today. Take care.